This is today's agenda, okay? So we are trying to cover the following: the classroom rules, the registration form. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the platforms online that we are going to use, like Zoom, StreamYard, Google Classroom, Nearpod, Quizlet, and other resources used in accordance to learning process, okay? That is very important for me, you to understand today. But before I keep doing this, I need to find out if everybody is in the same page.
Yes, agenda of the day.
Okay. What about you, Hillary? Because you entered late.
What's that, Professor?
I am asking you if you can, what I'm showing now here, if you can see it, but if you can get in, no yet? That's very important for me, Hillary.
Okay.
Try to check it out, the chat, please. And then,
The chat?
yeah, the chat. And then I'm gonna put it again, the link in the chat. Click on it and follow the instructions that you see there is a code. Got it? Try. Okay, I keep talking. I would like to talk to you about my teaching philosophy and the concept I have about learner self-improvement. I will talk to you also about the overview of the Level 1 Spanish course. What are my expectations in this interaction in class? And a little bit also about the homework, the instructor's assignments based on what happened during the lessons. That is more or less what I would like to talk to you before we start the first lesson, okay? This is the online classes rules. So you see there?
Yes.
First of all, please, it's very important to be on time, okay?
Yes.
Another thing is to keep the camera on, because for me, it's very important to see all the feelings from my students. I pretend to be like in a physical classroom. That's why it's very important to keep the camera on. Got it?
Yes.
Another thing is to follow instructions, instructor directions. Wear appropriate clothing. Use formal language in your way of communication, whatever it's going to be. In English, Spanish, Russian, French, any of the language you communicate or you're able to communicate, at least in this first level. Use quiet place, preferably without interference, to avoid the distraction of classmates. I'm showing you an example of what it is not good to doing when you are in camp. No? See this guy trying to make the child quiet. So it's very important when you are in any online course, like be concentrated, look for the place like it's the best for you, etc., and avoid any distraction, okay? Please, to complete your registration form, okay? I give you a few minutes just to do this. Now, this is also very important. So I am asking you, I'm begging you to join my Google Classroom. So in the next slide, you go here, you click on it. When it says sign, I hope everybody has Gmail account because it's what you need. And I need you to join my Google Classroom. I'm going to explain to you why it is very important. Okay, the code from, you mean from the Google Classroom?
Yes, please.
Okay, is 5 WEFPOD. I can write in the chat if you want, but I have it somewhere also.
Could I click on what come up with the chat?
Yes. Okay, that is, I put it for everybody. This is the code. And another way, I can also put it the link if you need. This is the thing that we need to do it, guys. See, this is the link for the Google Classroom, and also let me know if you are already there. Okay, guys. I would like now to show you, I'm going to share my screen to show you how Google Classroom works, okay? For you guys and for the people who already speak Spanish. So my course is called Interactive Spanish Courses, okay? I recommend you to go where it says classwork. In classworks, see, you have
Yes.
announcements, you have courses, you have exercises. The only thing you need to, if you get in, you can do everything and you can interact by yourself. Let's see. Mohammed told me that he has already got some idea about the Spanish. You can decide what you're going to do. Deepak even spoke to me in Spanish. You decide. Here is my lesson. That is beginner. See, all my lessons. Today, I'm going to start this one. Understand? But if you feel that you still need more, you can, let's see, go to Spanish 2. Is there. Or if more, you can go to intermediate. Got it? And if you feel that all thing is for free, I don't charge anything. So the only thing is, depending on I would like, please, you to let me know what are you doing, because this is only interactive lessons. And the real lessons is when people are in group. Understand? So
Yeah.
besides that, there is exercises. Even you can check it out. This one who is, you can evaluate me if you want. You can also do your proficiency test in order to figure it out what level you are in Spanish. This Spanish proficiency test, I update every time, depending on my experience with students, with real students. So you can take anytime, several times, whatever you want to do in order to figure it out. Because when I get this information, I can contact you and tell you're doing well in this one, you're showing this level, etc., etc., etc. Understand? Let me check it out here at the pupils. So all these people that are here, Hillary, you are in this group, so it's not a big problem. Okay, I see
right.
all the students like are there. I
All
see
right.
all the students like are there. Keep going though. Keep going. So we're done with that. And this is the overview, of course, of the course, okay? So
Yeah.
this one is relating with what we're trying to start here today. So the overview of this course is the following. So whatever you see in Google Classroom is the one you can see here. So this is the lesson 1, level 1, okay? And now I'm showing you how it works. Probably we will not able to finish today this lesson. It's not my point. My point is to have a real life lesson, but you have the content here. So if you see here, it's an overview of this course. You are going to study the Spanish alphabet, and then the greetings and farewells, and how to introduce yourself in Spanish. And this is how to pronounce all the words. This is my voice, like you're going to hear there. I use everything that I found in internet. This is a guide of pronunciation that I'm gonna cover with you today. See, I keep doing guide of pronunciation. So it's, hold on, it's coming. The letters, something like this.
Did you ever feel like you were lost in translation?
Quizzes that I made, and it's online. Exercises, we are gonna do this one today. Other videos about the day of the week. All this lesson, this exercise, practice interacting with you. You can get the results when you're done with it. The day's exercise, the day of the week. More about that. Exercises, activities, dialogues, difference between you and usted, which is very important when you start using Spanish. That's videos, exercise that I hope to do today. Let's see. And if you click on the page, you're going to test yourself. And every lesson lands with a certificate of achievement. Whatever you finish, I'm going to get this information, and you will be able to keep studying Spanish and get how you improve your Spanish, okay? That is the structure, more or less, of my lessons online. Understand?
Okay.
Then,
Yeah.
ready, let's start. Now is the start lesson. Understand?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
At the end of this online interactive lesson, you will be able to accomplish the following objectives. Introduce yourself, familiarize with Spanish alphabet, listen to and repeat Spanish words and phrases, spell your name and other cognate words, learn some useful vocabulary, learn the days of the week, ask and answer orally and writing questions on the topic.